Welcome back to here another recipe which is banana blossom, and we'll be cleaning this banana blossom. We'll remove the hard stick and the transparent scale from each and every florets. In this manner we'll do this cleaning. You can see this has to be thrown out. This is very hard, cannot be eaten. In the similar manner we'll remove it from all this bananas white floret which is greenish in color. We'll cut this and we will keep in water so that discoloration of banana floret doesn't happen. And we will do the cutting of the potato in small size in the similar manner, and we will make a paste of ginger into paste in silbatta, and we'll put this banana floret and potato for boiling with salt and turmeric, allowing it to boil and make it soft. This will be for 8 to 10 minutes. After done, we'll remove it in a colander, allowing it to cool. I've taken a kadai, put mustard oil and marinated shrimp with salt and turmeric until golden. When it turns golden, we will remove it. See how beautiful it is looking. Now we'll remove it. Once this is done, we'll put further little oil, put cumin seed, chopped onion, saute it for a while. When it turns dark in color, put green chili and put basic masala, ginger paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, and boiled mocha or banana blossom with potato, and saute it along with this masala. When this is done, we'll add the fried shrimp and we will stir fry this along with this banana flour and put little water, allowing it to boil for another 10 minutes so that it gives a wonderful color. And we have checked the seasoning and done the correction of the seasoning. And this is ghonto, which is dry and gravy in between. It is latpata kind of thing, and put little garam masala and ghee before removing it. So we'll be doing the presentation in a serving bowl, and we will do eat with another recipe. And this is banana blossom chingri ghonto. So wonderful taste. Please try, let me know how you like this recipe, and please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family. We'll see you in another video.